Hello everyone, I am PVS and Murthy. Today I am going to explain about tables, frames, forms in an HTML. Okay. In previous tutorial I already discussed about some of the basic tags in HTML. Okay. And today I will discuss about forms, frames and tables. Okay. In HTML we have tables to display data in a particular structure format. For example, see this example here. I wrote our timetable. Okay, see here. In HTML, the tables are used to display the data in this format. Okay. Uh, for example, a table contains rows and columns, whereas in HTML, all the data is takes in the form of a rows. Okay. Now let us see the example. Okay. Open a notepad. HTML head title. I'm working on tables. That's why I'm putting as tables. Okay. I'm closing the head tag. Open the body tag. Okay. To create a table, let us use a center tag. Okay. To create a table, we have a tag called table. Okay. And after that, to display a table. For example, here the table is displaying. The data is displaying and the rows and columns are displaying. To display the rows and columns, we use border. See here in table attribute, we use border to display a format of table. Table border maybe 4. Okay. And after that, in table tag, there are some of the tags to display data in the table. For example, if you want to display data in the table, first of all we should use a table row tag. TR stands for table row, and after that I am putting headings TH, and the heading may be, let us take some heading ID and close the th. Okay. And after that again open a th and take another name and close the th. And after that take another heading, that may be address. Okay. th. Okay. Let us close the tr and our table and center tag, body tag and HTML tag. Sorry. Okay. Let us save this file as table.html. Okay. Yeah, I already have a table.html. Okay, save. Now let us open our example documents table.html. See here, here I wrote 3 headings. Okay. It is displaying our 3 headings. Okay. See here, ID, name, address. Okay. Let us decrease the table border equal to 2. Save it. Reload. Okay. Let us see our example. It is showing our table 3 headings. Okay. Then after that I am entering a data into the table. To enter data, again open a table row tag. In HTML, the data takes in the form of a row format. Okay. We should give in a row format. That's why we are using a tr tag. In that, to display table data, we use a td tag. td stands for table data and the id is 1. Let us close the td and after that open again td and name may be Satya. Yeah, sorry, /td and the location kkd. Sorry, td location kkd. Okay, /td. Here one row is completed. Here we have 3 headings and here we have 3 data tags. Okay, then after that close the tr tag. Let us save this file, go to our page, reload. See here, 1 Satya Kakinada. Okay, let us create another row. Simply I am copying this and pasting to here, and 2, and the name, take any name, Reddy, maybe leave the kkd as it is, save the file, go to our web page, reload it again. Yeah, let us insert another row, control V, 3, Chaitu, leave the kkd as it is, again go to our page, reload. Yeah, let us insert another row, V, control V to paste the file. Okay, Shiva, leave the Kakinada like this, and again reload it. Yeah, if you see here, I inserted 4 data fields into the table. Okay, these are all table headings and these are all table data. Okay, now let us see another tag. In HTML, for tables we have another tag called caption to display a table caption. Open a caption, align equal to top. This align tag is used to align the caption at top. Okay, and the caption is table. Let us write it as table. Let close the caption. Okay, I closed the caption. Save this. Reload it. See here, I got a table. Okay. Then let us see row span and column span examples. Yeah, let us see the examples of cell padding and cell spacing. Okay. Uh, Cell padding means, yeah, I will show an example. Okay. If you open this table, cell padding means the space between cell and the data in the table. That means here is the cell and the data in the table. Okay, and cell spacing means the space between the cells. Let us see these examples. To use a cell padding and cell spacing attributes, we have to write it in a table tag. Cell padding equal to 10 and cell spacing equal to let us give it as 2. Okay, let us save as our file, go to our page. Yeah, see here, the cell padding is appear here. Okay, and cell spacing I given only 2. Let us give it as 5. Okay, save this file. Yeah, see here there is much space between the cells. Okay, now let us see the row span and column span examples. Yeah, see here, I would like to span these 2 columns. Okay, to span these columns, simply go to the td tag. That means I will okay, td tag, and write column span equal to 2. Let us save it and see here. Yeah, see here, the 2 columns are spanned. Like that we can apply row span and column span. Okay, I will show another example. Okay, and column span equal to 2 again. Save this file, reload. Yeah, I already applied to it. Okay, let us apply it here. Let us apply row span. Row span equal to 2. Save this file again, go to our page, reload. See here, here I applied row span, and here column span. Okay, uh, by using this row span and column span, we developed this timetable. See here, we applied a column span here, here, and here we applied a column span, and here we applied a row span. Okay, by this example, you people can easily understand about row span and column span. Yeah, simply see the page source. Here it is the page source. Okay, now let us discuss about frames. Okay, frames means here you see a website like this. Let us take a empty HTML page. Okay, by that you people can understand very easily. I am saving this file. Simply I am pressing Ctrl S, and I am creating a new folder, and frames, and the folder name is frames. Here I am saving as main.html. Okay, simply go to our main.html, frames1 main.html. see here it's empty page. Okay, frames means we divide this empty page into number of blocks. That means here it is one block and here it is one block. Like that we will make our web page into number of blocks. Okay, to divide a frames in HTML, we have a tag called Frameset. I already in first tutorial I already explained about in head tag we will write a tag called Frameset. Okay, this Frameset tag is used to cut the web page into number of blocks. If you see here, Frameset rows equal to let us consider this as 100%. Okay, rows equal to 25%, comma star. Okay, I am making my web page into two parts. Okay, that means two rows. Okay, and columns equal to let us take, yeah, here also I am taking 25%, comma star. Okay, and simply uh, write if there is a tag called frame. That means this frame tag contains a contains the pages to show in the frames. Okay, I am just giving empty pages. The spaces are not present at present. Let us create it again and put the name as F1. Okay, and let us take a line close. Okay, and again write a frame src equal to b.html, name equal to f2. Okay, here I wrote some pages, but these pages are not present in my frameset folder. Let us create it again. Yeah, I saved my web page and go to our page, reload. Yeah, see here our web page become into two parts. Okay, and here is one page and here is one page. Okay, let us create a pages for our website. Okay, yeah, here we given a.html and b.html. Let us create a.html and b.html. Simply click on new notepad, html, body, heading 1. Yeah, kite, let us leave it like this. Close the body. Let us save it as HTML file. Here I created a folder called frames1. I am keeping my all pages in this folder. Okay, and the page name is here.html. Okay, let us go to our web page, reload here. Yeah, see here it is one web page, and again we have another web page. That means let us see the source. Yeah. Okay, let us create a b.html page again. Let us change this and Let us apply a marquee tag. The main use of the marquee tag is it applies a animation movement to our text. Okay, let us see with an example. Okay, let us save it. Okay, sorry, I saved as a .html. Yeah, let us remove this and save this, and again create a new notepad, and again type html, all this stuff. Sorry. Marquee and write any text. Marquee and heading 1, close the body and html. Let us save this file as b.html, because in our main source we have two web pages, namely a.html and b.html. Save this file as b.html. Okay, simply open our main page. Yeah, see here, this is a.html and this is b.html. Okay, that means the main use of the frames is dividing web page into the number of parts. Okay, let us make it as many parts. Okay, let us see the wrap. I would like to open with yeah, it is showing. Okay, let us edit this. I'm editing this with the help of a Dreamweaver. Okay, because it is not showing notepad, that's why I'm editing with a Dreamweaver. Okay, here we have pages a.html and b.html, and in our web page this is a.html and this is b.html. We divided our frame into two parts, and the two parts contains two web pages. Okay, uh, let us divide into three parts. Okay, here we have 25 star, and I'm giving another 25% here. Okay, let us see what it happens. Yeah, it is not updated. 25 star comma 25. Yeah, there is no change. 25 25. Okay, let us make it here comma 25. Okay, I divided my web page into three parts. Let us see what will happen. Yeah, here it will become into three parts. Okay, this is a.html, b.html. If we place another frame here, and this is c.html. Like that, we can divide our web page into many parts. Okay, here I divided our web page into three parts. You can divide it into four parts. Consider this all space as 100%. Okay, and let us see the examples of forms. Okay, uh, for example, in many web pages we see the username, password and text boxes. Forms are mainly used to create that labels and text fields. Okay, let us see with an example. HTML head title, let us name it as forms. Close the head. Write the code in this format, by that we can easily understand the program. Okay, body, I'm using a center tag. Yeah, to display forms in our web page there is a tag called form. There are attributes called name and action. Simply put a name as form and leave the action space, and there is another attribute called method. There are two methods in forms. There is a post and get. Okay, let us place it as post. If you want leave like this. Okay, I will explain this stuff again later. Okay, and okay, now let us create a username and password. Okay, mm, that means username space a text field and a password space and a text field, and I will create a two buttons, submit and reset buttons. Okay, let us make it that. Okay, I'm using a heading 3 for username. I'm placing colon here, and after that there is another tag called input tag means in input tag you can specify the text or uh, yeah, let us see with this example input. There is an attribute called type equal to text. That means if you use a input type equal to text, then it will accept the text. Okay, name equal to place their name as uname, and there is place a line close, yeah, sorry, place a line close and close heading 3. Okay, close heading 3 and again open heading 3 password. Yeah, if you see, if you type a password, it will display in the form of dots. To display like that, uh, place a type equal to password psword. Okay, and name equal to pwd. Okay, place a line close and heading 3 close. To create a button, simply input input type equal to create a submit button, simply use a submit. Yeah, name equal to, yeah, sorry, value equal to login. The text we given in the value is showed in the button. Okay, and input type equal to reset. Let us see, give the value also reset. Okay, yeah, close the form, close the body tag. Yeah, sorry, I didn't close the center tag. Close the center tag and again close the HTML tag. Let us save this as form.html. Okay, form.html. Okay, yeah, go to documents, form.html. See here, we got a two text fields. It will accept text and it will show the passwords in the form of dots. If we press login, if we put any database connections, these two values are checked in the database and again logged in into our account. Because we didn't have any database and any dynamic scripting, that's why it is a static page. Okay, here it will accept a text and here it will accept a password. If we press reset, all data will be erased. Okay, automatically all the data will be erased. Okay, like this we can create a text fields and buttons in an HTML. Okay, uh, yeah, let us create a radio buttons. For example, in many websites we see a radio buttons. Okay, to display to select one option between two options. If you have two options, take an example, gender, male and female. In these two options we can select a male or female. uh, to make that radio buttons, we use input tag male. Yeah, let us write a input type okay, input type equal to, there is a type called radio, name equal to gender. Okay, and here I am giving my text. Okay, and after that again input type equal to radio and name I am giving a female. Okay, let us save this file, go to our web page, reload it. Yeah, here I got a two radio buttons. See here. Here two are selecting. That means we wrote some error in our program. That's why these two buttons are selecting. Uh, to do that, use same name for two radio buttons. Here for radio button 1 I used a name as gender, and here also I am giving gender, so that from this both one option will be selected. Okay, yeah, let us place it here. Yeah, okay, let us place it here. Save, go to our form. Yeah, see here, in two options we can choose only one option. Okay, now let us create a checkboxes. In many websites we see a checkboxes. To create a checkboxes, there is a type in input. Okay, input type equal to, simply place a checkbox, name equal to, write something name A, and checkboxes mainly used for hobbies. Okay, we also use for hobbies. Okay, let us give any text. I'm giving a reading, reading, and after that I'm creating another checkbox, again checkbox, name equal to B, gaming. Okay, let us save this file, go to our page, reload it. Here I got a two checkboxes. Okay, this is the way of creating checkboxes. Here all are coming beside of this radio buttons. I got a checkboxes, after that I got a buttons. Okay, it is very clumsy to see. For that I am using a break tag. Break tag is used to break the line. Okay, to break a line, here I'm using a break tag. Simply write BR and leave like that. Okay, and again I'm writing another, yeah, sorry, I'm writing another BR here. That means I am breaking the lines. Okay, go to the Google Chrome, reload. Yeah, if you see here, yeah, okay. Let us see the select box. That means in many websites we will see the select boxes. To create a select box, there is a tag called select, sorry, select. Let us place the name as color. Yeah, there is another tag in a selection tag, that means option, color red. Let us copy it, paste it for many things. Okay, let us close the select tag. Yeah, see the select here, I forgot to change the colors, green and pink. Let us go to our web page. Yeah, if you see here, this is the select box. Okay, you can select one option from this select box. Okay, up to here we created a select boxes, radio buttons, check boxes, and text boxes and password boxes. Now let us create a text area. Text area means in many websites, for example, if you go to any website and click on contact us, then they will ask a email and message, and the message box is very bigger than the input box. To do that, we use a text area. Simply text area rows equal to 10 and columns equal to 20. Okay, let us see our text area. Yeah, go to our fonts page. Yeah, this is our text area. Okay, yeah, this is our text area. Okay. mm, yeah, there is something happened here. Okay, let us close the text area tag and again reload it. Yeah, okay, this is about text area. This is the text area. Okay. uh, in today's tutorial I explained about tables, frames and forms. Okay. In next tutorial I will explain about JavaScript, that means how to write alert boxes and how to write validations and how to do all this stuff. Okay. Thank you.